Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Night School Cooking with Chef Insomniac. I'm Chef Insomniac, and this is Chef Pat is a God. What is that, like Italian?
Yes.
Pat here won our online contest to cook with yours truly. What's that you say? You had it hard about our online contest? Maybe that's because we only had a $5 budget for our Facebook ad campaign.
I already told you, I'm sorry.
But I digress. Say there, Pat, won't you tell the audience what we're making today?
I was so excited.
Now, once we have all of our ingredients together, we want to start by roasting our peppers. Chef Pat, if you would.
But I don't know how to cook.
Well, today you're going to learn.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Start by cutting each end of the peppers off. And then cut it, just like I'm going to do to Chef Pat if he questions me again.
Yes, chef.
Then onto the tray and into the oven. While that's roasting, prep the veggies. Now, while you're chopping, it's very important that you tuck in your finger. Now that Pat's learned his lesson, things should be pretty easy peasy. Right, Pat?
Easy peasy, chef. Easy peasy.
Now onto the yellow squash.
What?
Nice even pieces. That last bit's gonna be a little tricky towards the end, a little wibbly wobbly. So remember what. Yeah, all right, yeah. Wash all that off when you're done. All right.
Yes, chef.
Good job. Give yourself a thumbs up, bud.
Yes, chef.
Onto the onions. I should note that they may make your eyes a little watery, so you should be extra careful not. Oops. All right. We got bleed here. Might have nicked an artery. Now onto the tomatoes. Yeah, I know I'm number one.
I think I need to go to the hospital.
While Chef Pat takes a little nap, I'll show you how it's done. And you should have all your fingers too. Voila. Back to the peppers. Pick all the skins off. There's gotta be at least what? 1, 2, 3, at least 4 skins you gotta pick off there. Grill some onion. Get out in red. Garlic. Tomato paste. Stir. Crushed tomatoes. The peppers diced up. Into the pan. Salt it. Pepper. Do you have the thyme? Yes, I do. Basil. Isn't that from like Harry Potter or something? Basilisk. Some red pepper. Stir, cook. Arrange the veggies like so. Make the coating. Olive oil. Garlic, thyme, basil, salt. Stir. Spoon it on there, unless it says it wants to fork. Parchment paper. Once everything's cooked, step over your guest chef. And take it out of the oven. Look at that. So pretty. In the end, you should have something that looks a little like this. Hey, buddy. Wake up. Listen, it's snack time.
What?
You want some din din? It's ready.
This hospital.
Here we go, buddy. Here, sit on up. Look. Yeah. You did that. You did that. Yeah, I did. You know, this guest chef thing ain't too bad. Try some. Alright. That's alright. Here. Here. Let me help you there. Here comes the airplane. No. It's good? That's right. Make some.